Hi, I'm Jordan from Sawblade.com. End the hassle of blade swapping and save time and money with Sawblade.com's performance line of QSaw wood blades. I'm going to be explaining why the QSaw 10-inch 42 general purpose blade will allow you to cut a variety of job site materials without the need to change the blade. It is ideal for cutting a wide range of materials like thick hardwoods, softwoods, and thinner stock materials, reducing the need to change blade between tasks. This is an excellent general purpose blade that has premium grade of carbide for added strength and blade longevity, giving you a quality finish and crisper edges in crosscut and ripping applications. The carbide circular QSaw blades have laser cut bodies that have less distortion than stamped blades, and an ATB grind for clean square cuts. They also feature industrial brazing that creates an extra durable bond between the teeth and the body of the blade. Sawblade.com has an extensive line of sawing products from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.